Hello folks, in today's demo, we'll be taking a look at how to integrate BugSmash with Monday.com. I'll be walking you through all the steps in detail and we will see how adding a comment on a BugSmash project automatically adds it on your Monday.com workspace dashboard. So first make sure that you're logged into BugSmash and your Monday.com accounts on the same browser. After you have made sure of that, head over to your workspace settings. In workspace settings, head over to the integrations tab and press on the connect option underneath the Monday panel. After that, you will be redirected to this screen. First, let's install the BugSmash app into Monday.com, shall we? Press on install app, which should redirect you to this page where you can select whether you would like to install it on all workspaces or in a specific workspace. I'll be installing it in all my workspaces. After you've done that, press on install. Upon successful installation, you will be redirected to this page where BugSmash will now appear in your installed apps category. After that, come back to this page and press on connect. After that, press on authorize. Upon successful connection, a disconnect button will now appear beneath the Monday.com panel. Let's take a quick look at how the comment system works, shall we? Head into any project of your choice and open project settings. After that, press on the select project button next to the Monday.com integration. Here you can select the project in which you wish the comment to appear. Upon successful connection, a card will appear saying connected successfully. Let's leave a comment now, shall we? It takes about a minute or two for BugSmash to sync to Monday.com. As you can see, a minute later, the comment has now appeared on the Monday.com project that was selected. That's all for this demo, folks. See you in the next one.